guys, I'm Flowers, and today we are making DIY notebook covers. I'm with my friends today. Rainbow Bear
and Cute Kitty Cat. And yes, I am way cuter than you.
We have some colorful paper here. My sister, whose name is Me, made some calligraphy and watercolor. These are the different watercolor papers we have. This is Rainbow Bear. This is Cute Kitty Cat. Let's look at Rainbow Bear.
Why are you looking at me? Stop! Stop! Stop!
What are you working on right now, Rainbow Bear?
Flowers' lovely sister, Me, water painted this, taping it here, so then it would like really pretty. And I also putting this strip right here that Flowers' sister Me made it. I taped on this love sign that her sister also made.
So you're going to take this and this that my sister Me made, and you also put a green and a blue background?
Yeah.
With a nice lovely symbol that she also worked on.
Yeah.
And now you're making hearts, isn't that right?
Yeah.
Now that is a good notebook you got there. Now let's take a look at Kitty Cat. What are you working on now, Cute Kitty Cat?
As you can see, I'm basically working on like the cover. How I'm gonna like place it and stuff like that. So I'm just like taping the whole thing together, and then I'm gonna tape it on here, and I'm gonna use these flowers and like put them in like the blue areas. In here I'm gonna write lovely.
You're not gonna write that.
Yeah, I'm not gonna write it. I have this like little scrap that I didn't know where it went.
Well, you need to find that scrap.
Why are you filming me?
Now, I got some stickers. Eat it up,
I'm gonna use this one. I'll use this one. I'm gonna show you how to make double-sided tape. Step 1, get a piece of tape. Done. Step 2, roll up the tape like this. Ta-da! You have double-sided tape. The crappiest you could ever see.
This is Rainbow Bear's finished notebook cover. This is Cute Kitty Cat's finished notebook cover.